Hey girls, let's do 3 quick and easy hairstyles you love. Start with 4 mini braids. Make them thick so they stand out. Tug for volume, then take them back and tie into a half ponytail. Create a loop, pull the pony through from inside out for extra lift. This hides your band and leaves the rest of your hair flowing. A perfect half up style to flaunt. Next, a chic low bun for any outfit or occasion. Grab a thick section, loop it through, then tie 2 ponytails. Twist or braid them, knot together, and keep tying until no hairs left. Secure with pins. If your hair is short or thin, just go with a simple knot bun. Super easy. Tired of the plain ponytail? Upgrade it. Divide your pony into 2 parts, rope twist each side, then tie them together at the end. Quick, sleek, and perfect for school, college, or university. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hairstyles.